Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to access your clipboard easily on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can quickly view and manage all your copied text and images without needing an extra app. So to access your clipboard, we'll go ahead and use this feature called the Edge panel, which is basically a small menu on the right hand side. And if you swipe left again, you'll be able to access your clipboard here. So these are all your copied text and images which will appear here, and you can go ahead and use them from here. So as an example, I'll go ahead and open up Google Chrome. I'll go ahead and choose a text which I want to copy. And here I'll go ahead and copy this. Next, I'll go ahead and copy this image. Now when I look at my Edge panel, I'll see that I've copied two items, and from here I can go ahead and use it and paste it anywhere I like. So let me show you how to enable this. So first you need to go ahead and open up these settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find display. Now from here, you want to scroll down again and find Edge panels. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now from here, where it says panels, tap on this, find the clipboard panel and make sure that's been enabled. Now go back. You can go ahead and configure the handle so you can make your position left or right. You can go ahead and configure the color, transparency, and the size as well. So this basically saves time and makes your multitasking much smoother. No more retyping or losing important copied information. So there you go guys. That is how to access your clipboard easily on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.